Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Adobe After Effects and CapCut. Adobe After Effects is high-end software designed for professionals who want full control over their video content. It's perfect for creating motion graphics, cinematic visual effects, and complex animations. You can work with 3D elements, customize keyframe, and use a massive library of plugins. It integrates smoothly with other Adobe apps like Premiere Pro and Photoshop, making it ideal for filmmakers, VFX artists, and designers working on commercials, short films, or YouTube intros. However, it doesn't require a strong computer, a good amount of time to learn, and it comes with a monthly subscription. CapCut, by contrast, is built for speed and simplicity. It's a favorite among content creators and influencers who want to edit vertical videos for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Short. It offers features like auto captions, trending templates, drag and drop effects, background removal, and AI-powered tools like voiceovers and scene enhancement. You can use it on mobile or desktop and it's free, though there's a paid version with extra assets. So if you need polished, professional-grade content and are willing to invest time and money, Adobe After Effects is unmatched. But if you want something easy, fast, and fun for social media content, CapCut gets the job done with very little effort. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.